All right, everybody. Welcome back to Strongman Personal Finance. I am Christopher Bell, certified public accountant, long-term boglehead investor, author of the book Stop Being a Broke Loser, and hater of short-term trading and gambling in the markets. And a quick side note. Yes, I know my camera keeps freezing during my videos. I will fix it eventually because I don't know what the freaking problem is. Could be my camera. We'll see. Anyway, today we're going to talk about how Charlie Munger just took a massive steaming dump on Robinhood. And frankly, I agree with him. Now, if you don't know who Charlie Munger is, he's basically Warren Buffett's buddy, okay? They work together and they built, like a $100 billion portfolio with Berkshire Hathaway. These are very famous long-term value investors. And because they have stuck to principles of value investing, they have crushed all the other clowns that day trade and pay lots of capital gains taxes and try to beat the market with stupid strategies that people learn on YouTube. Now, let's listen to Charlie, who is a freaking hero. I mean, he just doesn't give a crap. He's like 90-something years old. He says whatever he wants, and I love it. Let's hear him take a dump all over Robinhood. And I agree with him because I think Robinhood is frankly disgusting with what they claim to be versus what they're actually doing. Robinhood's like, oh, we're fighting Wall Street. We're opening investing up to the average investor because we're good people. When in reality, they're fleecing the average investor and they're encouraging the average person to trade stocks like a freaking clown, to buy stupid, worthless cryptocurrencies, and to play options, which is highly risky and, in my opinion, not a good idea. So let's see what Charlie has to say, and then we're going to look at Robinhood's revenues, and I'm going to show you why this company is fleecing the average investor.
Some of the fintech areas that they're...
Yes, I agree with Jamie Dimon on that. I don't think allowing all the swimmers in the world to act as though they're banks is a good idea.
Which maybe we should talk about Robinhood and some of the areas that come up.
Robinhood is beneath contempt.
Robinhood is beneath contempt. He doesn't care. See, I want to be like that when I'm old. I'm just not giving a crap. I mean, I'm already kind of like that, but can you wait and imagine what I'm going to be like when I'm 90 and I just give zero craps and I'm a billionaire?
Why?
Well, it's a gambling parlor masquerading as a respectable business.
And the pushback on that is always, this is a way of getting average people into the markets.
Well, of course you don't.
Okay, he's absolutely right. Robinhood, with all its confetti, even though they got rid of it, and its pretty interface, it encourages people to gamble. People that buy into Robinhood are not investing for the long term. Robinhood doesn't even have a freaking Roth IRA or any kind of tax advantage accounts. That right there tells me it's simply an app that any clown can download and start trading into highly risky securities like options and derivatives, stocks, cryptocurrency. It is totally gambling. Now, I don't know I haven't seen the data on how often or how long people hold their stocks in Robinhood, but I guarantee you the holding period for people's stocks is probably like less than a day. Because all people do is they get on Robinhood and, they go watch YouTube, they get on Robinhood and they try to buy this stock, not profitable, complete and utter garbage, diluting its shareholders. But they're hoping that there's some kind of short squeeze or something amazing is going to happen and they're going to 10x their money. That's all people are doing in Robinhood. Now, Charlie is basically taking a massive dump on it because he understands the difference between gambling, which is, trying to make a quick buck on the stock market, which you can't predict, okay? You may be right with your options every once in a while, but I guarantee you're going to get your cheeks clapped if you keep screwing around with options. But Charlie knows the difference between gambling, short-term trading, and actually buying and holding good businesses, which you should actually do to build long-term wealth.
I want to say it's a gambling parlor, but it is a gambling parlor.
It's not encouraging people to buy a very, very, very low-cost index fund and hold it for 50 years.
Wow. Did you hear that, ladies and gentlemen? Warren Buffett just said Robinhood is not encouraging people to buy a low-cost index fund and hold it for 50 years. I wonder what YouTuber also says you should do that in your tax advantage accounts. Oh, that's me. Why? Because there's a lot of validity behind buying and holding, not trading and gambling, and that'll actually help you build long-term wealth in retirement. There's all these clowns out there that are claiming everybody's 10xing, everybody's 100xing. It's a load of crap. It is literally impossible for everybody to 10x. There's always going to be some clown on the side of the trade that lost a huge amount of money, and they're not going to talk about it. So don't believe these losers that are telling you on YouTube it's easy to 10x, 100x, and index funds are dead, and it's the future, bro. Everybody wins. It's all a bunch of garbage propaganda, okay? I would rather trust Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger, who've been investing for 50, 60 years, as opposed to some degenerate clown on YouTube that basically YOLO'd into Tesla because some clown told them to, and they got lucky, okay? The key to long-term wealth is to max your tax-advantaged accounts and buy broadly diversified index funds. That's literally all you have to do. It's worked for me. Just stay consistent. Jesus, Robinhood does nothing like that. Robinhood is all about gambling and speculation. And you may be bad and be like, oh, you're a boomer, you don't understand. Most of you clowns that are on Robinhood started trading around the pandemic, okay? And then we're in this massively insane bull market where, God, stocks went up 50, 100% in a year. That doesn't happen very often. Basically, it almost never happens. And if stocks have such a massive run-up, I have a feeling that there's going to be some kind of reversion soon because stocks do not go up 100%. Did companies' earnings go up 100%? Did dividend yields increase by a massive percentage? No. Most of the gains in the stock market are from speculation, speculative gains. And when people finally wake up and realize that a lot of these gains, a lot of these stocks are massively overvalued, they're going to start selling the stocks. Just watch. Just watch, ladies and gentlemen. Just be patient.
I'll guarantee you that you will not walk in there get that advice. Instead, you'll get advice on how you can trade options, and they'll tell you that.
And it's telling people they aren't paying commissions when the commissions are simply disguised in the trading. It's basically a sleazy, disreputable operation.
I love them. It is super sleazy. Oh, you don't have to pay commissions, everybody. I think this is it for the video, but let's go look at how much Robinhood has made in 2020 for commission-free trading. And I wonder, who is paying Robinhood these fees? Where is this money coming from? Could it perhaps be from the people that are using the app? No, they're Robinhood, bro. Haven't you heard of the legend of Robin Hood? He robs the rich and gives to the poor. That's how it is, bro. Let's go look. Let's go look at how much Robin Stock. This video actually closes. Let's go see how much money Robin Stock made from all these clowns gambling. All right, here we go. Disaggregation of revenues. So Robinhood's total revenues for 2020. Oh, this is just in 3 months. Yeah, so for the last 3 months in 2021, Robinhood made $420,000 in 3 months from trading. Options, $197 million. Equities, $133 million. Cryptocurrencies, $87 million. Other, whatever that is, probably Robinhood Gold, $1.6 million. That is a ton of freaking money. Robinhood is freaking banking off of these clowns trading. It's not zero commission, okay? Jesus. Do not trade on Robinhood. I mean, if you want to screw around, like I have screw around money, you know, I'm going to get all my money out of there as soon as some of my stocks go up. But, you know, if you want to screw around on Robinhood, okay. But do not go on Robinhood with a lot of money and gamble on these stupid stocks because you're going to get your freaking cheeks clapped. I guarantee you. And you're going to come back whining to me and I'll be like, I'm not having it. You deserve to lose all your money because you're a gambling clown. Anyway, that's it. Charlie Munger's amazing. He's funny. He always takes a crap on, he likes to call out scams. I'd love to hear him do, a whole speech on cryptocurrency. I'm sure he said some things about cryptocurrency in the past, but it's garbage. Robinhood is trash, and it deserves all the nasty, sick comments that he gave to it. Anyway, that's it. Oh, my camera didn't freeze. That's nice. What a shock. Anyway, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and you'll have a wonderful, delicious day.